Why you can fail at affiliate marketing. I've been making videos for a while now, and I've been talking about the benefits of affiliate marketing. And today, I want to make it a bit different. I want to share with you some of the failures that I went through at affiliate marketing so that when you go along your journey to greatness, you don't encounter these sort of problems. My name is Rupesh, and it's a pleasure to have you at this channel. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And if you want to learn on how you can start building your very own profitable business, please go ahead and click on the link below this video where you will check my number one recommendation to building your very own solid online business. So I'm going to chat to you about 3 of the mistakes that I made. The first one is that I did not set myself definite goals on where I wanted to go with my online business. I remember back then when I started, it was in 2016, I just said whatever I earn, that's fine with me. And this was a potential problem because it never allowed me to follow a specific path. Think of it this way. If you jump into a ship or a boat and there's no there's no captain, there's no crew, you just allow the ship to take you to wherever you want to go, you're going to end up in some deserted island. And this can happen to your business if you don't have proper goals in place. So once I decided, okay, this is the amount of money that I would like to earn, then it allows you to choose a specific path. And especially if you are starting an online affiliate marketing business, you can choose a path of low ticket affiliate marketing, which is nothing wrong with that, or you can go into high ticket affiliate marketing. It really does depend on what you want to achieve with your business, what goal you want to achieve, and then the path will be much more clearer for you to take. Does that make sense? Okay, now the second mistake that I made is actually broken down into 3 parts. You can either end up choosing the wrong teaching platform, or you can fall for unrealistic money making opportunities, or you can fall into the S.O.S trap. Now for me, I was fortunate enough to join the right teaching platform. I also did not fall into the unrealistic make money online opportunities, those scams. But what I did happen to fall into was the S.O.S trap, and they call this the shiny object syndrome. Now, I must admit to you, when I first started out, I was getting a bit impatient and I wanted to see results, So I decided to sign up to another teaching platform. And this teaching platform in particular was offering you free leads for a fee. So these leads were not robot leads. They were real telephone numbers of people who wanted to make money. But the onus was on you to do the cold calling. So I said, sure, why not? Let me try it. Little realizing it was not easy as I thought it would be. I found it very hard to cold call to people, especially when I was just starting out. I was very rusty in it. And then the second type of S.O.S syndrome that I fell into was I spent a great amount of my money to joining a platform that will teach you how to build your own masterminds. Once again, this was also a legit teaching platform. But you see, my problem is that I put my attention into so many different areas that this platform in particular ended up collecting virtual dust. So I wasted a great deal of my money as well as my time. And speaking of choosing the right teaching platform, the 3 things you need to look out for is make sure that the teaching platform has got a good support structure. Make sure also there's a track record of success, that they've been around for a while, the testimonials are solid, and if you can, check if the teaching platform offers you personal mentorship. One of my mentors taught me that don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. So if this teaching platform in particular offers you personal mentorship, go for it. Even if you have to pay a bit extra, but you are learning from people who knows what works. It's just up to you to put in the effort. Like Tony Robbins always said, success leaves clues. So follow the people who have the results that you want to achieve. And speaking of choosing a good teaching platform, check out my number one recommendation below this video. It has got all 3 of these important characteristics of starting your own profitable business. Now, the last mistake that I made when it comes to my journey to becoming an online entrepreneur is that I did not believe in myself. I looked at other people who are earning the commissions and I said to myself, who am I to earn those kind of commissions, or can I really earn those high ticket commissions? I even started putting other self-doubt thoughts and saying that this affiliate marketing industry is saturated, and all of those kind of things. And I want to tell you that you need to just believe in yourself. If you are on the right path, you've got a good training mentorship, you've got the good training platforms, then it's just a matter of time when things will all come together like a puzzle and you'll start earning those commissions. So believe in yourself. It will definitely happen. And as far as affiliate marketing is concerned, it's a billion-dollar industry. You can choose from so many different niches, and you only need a small percentage of that pie to earn some really good money. So that concludes the biggest mistakes that I've made and why you can fail at affiliate marketing. But remember, along your journey, you're gonna meet some challenges and you might also have some failures. But you know what they say: failures are the stepping stone to success. So thanks so much for checking out this video. If you'd like to get started with building your very own profitable online business, check out my #1 recommendation by simply clicking on the link below this video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that we can chat in my next video. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care.